Good day everyone. Today we are going to see how to create Wise account in India with all features like send and receive money. First, you can open Google Chrome browser and go to www.wise.com, or else you can click the link in the description below. Now click register at the top right corner. Now enter your email and click next. Now you need to click send money globally, then click next. Here is the important step. You need to select United States instead of India. Now click next. In this step, you need to enter a phone number, not your Indian phone number. If you don't have a phone number, please visit the video link at the top right. Once you got a phone number, please enter your number and then click send verification code. Now check the verification code SMS sent to your phone number. Enter the verification code and click submit. Now create a new password and click continue. Now you will see a page which shows that your account has been created successfully. You can click continue. Now it will ask for what step you need to take now. Here you can click decide later and it will be redirected to your dashboard. Now create your first bank account to receive a balance in your Wise account. To create your bank account, please follow these steps. Enter your first name, last name, date of birth and address. Very important step is, here you need to enter US address instead of Indian address. To get a US address, you can visit www.fakexy.com and get a random address and fill the remaining details in your Wise account and create your bank account. Also, don't forget to verify your email ID. To verify your email, please click Settings at the drop-down menu on top right and click Email and select Verify Email. Then go to your email and open Verification Email and click Verify. If you want to create your Wise account, please click the link in the description below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you need any other solution, please leave in the comment below. Thank you.